अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, खबर से खबर में खुश आमदीद। मैं इफ्तिखार शराजी। नाज़रीन, मशरक़ वस्ता की सूरत हाल गोया कि वहाँ अमन बड़ी देर से नहीं आ पाया और अब देखा यह गया है कि हालिया दिनों में अमेरिका के ज़ेर इंतज़ाम वहाँ पे एक पीस एग्रीमेंट हुआ है और उस पर अमल दरामद के लिए मुख्तलिफ ममालिक उसमें अपना हिस्सा डालेंगे और बिलखसूस मिस्र जैसा मुल्क इसका बड़ा एक कलीदी रोल है वहाँ पे इस अमन को लाने में। और इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं अरब रिपब्लिक ऑफ इजिप्ट के मिनिस्टर ऑफ फॉरेन अफेयर्स, इमिग्रेशन एंड अफेयर्स ऑफ इजिप्शियन अब्रॉड, डॉक्टर बदर अब्दुल अते। Thank you very much, sir, for your time, despite the fact that you are on a short visit of Pakistan, but you have taken up time for the DawnNews, so thank you very much. So, sir, start with the Pakistan-Egypt relation. Recently, we have witnessed a new level of engagement between Egypt and Pakistan. So, would you like to elaborate the baseline of a new engagement, new relationship?
Well, first of all, I'm very grateful for hosting me in your very popular program, and I'm delighted to be with you. And of course, we have a long-standing historical relationship between our two sisterly countries, Egypt and Pakistan. It's long-standing, as I mentioned. It has political, economic, cultural components, people-to-people interaction. We have one religion which is, bounding us, of course, and we have also common agenda for the present and for the future. So it's very important, and now we have to reinvigorate our relationship. In order to cement it, we have a strong foundation through the historical relationship, but we need this very solid foundation in order to look to the future through building mutually beneficiary partnerships, especially in trade, in economic relationship, and we can do more and more. You have a very vibrant private sector, and we have the same in Egypt. So connectivity is very important. We have specific ideas. We must at least double our trade volume. $300 million is nothing with the capabilities of the two countries, and also investment is very important by Egyptian investors here or Pakistani investors in Egypt. So we have to do more. There is a conducive environment for attracting investment in Egypt. We did a lot, especially with regard to structural economic reform. You have the same here in Pakistan. So I believe that it's timely visit, and we have extensive contacts and consultations on the level of the heads of states, on the ministerial level, on sub-ministerial level. Sky the limit for our cooperation. We need to reinvigorate the business council because this is the main engine for promoting trade, investment, and economic relationship, as well as having a business forum either in Egypt or here in Pakistan, in order to shed the light on the existing opportunities in different sectors such as infrastructure, energy, renewable, clean energy, petrochemicals, textile, garment, agriculture, food security, food processing. So we have many opportunities, but we need to explore them and to encourage our private sector to see the existing opportunities with the excellent political relationship in order to build partnerships based on win-win situation and serve the interest of our two peoples.
And if I ask, what are the key areas where you want to have strategic relations with Pakistan? So would you elaborate those key areas?
Yes, we have many areas. First of all, political level. We are sharing the same views on many issues, especially the Palestinian issue, which is the core of the conflict in the Middle East. And Pakistan, with Egypt, we were among the 8 countries who met with President Trump in New York on the side of the General Assembly ordinary session last September. And we are engaging together in this mechanism or this forum in order to make the Trump peace plan applicable on the ground. And both of us, we welcome the plan, we welcome the Security Council resolution, but we need it to be applicable on the ground. So there is a Board of Peace and also ISF, the International Stabilization Force, as well as the Palestinian Technocratic and Administrative Committee, which will govern Gaza. So we are sharing the same view that no division of Gaza, that Gaza is an integral part of the West Bank for the future Palestinian state, and Israel should withdraw from Gaza, and we have to flood Gaza with humanitarian and medical aid. So we have common objectives, as well as for security arrangement in the region, also common ground on fighting terrorism. We are affected, both of us, by terrorism, and we can work together, we can cooperate, exchange ideas and expertise. Egypt has the most successful model of fighting terrorism in the world, based on a comprehensive approach, which is not focusing on security dimension, but also on other dimensions, such as socio-economic development, such as cutting funds, such as fighting extremist ideology through the moderate religious institutions, most notably Al-Azhar al-Sharif, which is the most notable Sunni institution in the Islamic world. Also, as I mentioned, in the level of economic and trade, we have many opportunities, and we can benefit of them mutually.
So is it on agenda when you talk to Pakistani leadership to, share your, experience to counter the terrorism in Egypt? So would you like to share with Pakistani leadership, and we can, benefit from your experiences?
Yes, of course, we stand ready to work together and to cooperate, and there is already cooperation in this area. And as I mentioned, based on this holistic approach, it's very effective. It was very successful approach in Egypt, and we managed to dismantle the infrastructure of the terrorist organization. So we are stand ready to work with you, and also, as I mentioned, the Grand Imam of Al-Azhar is stand ready to increase scholarships, training of young preachers, young imam, and other ideas such as Al-Azhar Observatory, which is a very successful story, religious teachings, and they have also linguistic skills and to serve the internet in order to immune young people from being recruited by terrorist organizations. So this is very successful one. And by the way, we are now co-chairing the Global Forum for Countering Terrorism with the European Union, and they asked us to extend our co-chairmanship, and we approved because we have a very successful model on that.
नाज़रीन, प्रोग्राम एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद गुफ्तगू के सिलसिले को आगे बढ़ाएंगे.